In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your Microsoft Edge microphone if it's not working in 2025. This can be quite frustrating, especially if you're trying to make a call or record a message and you just can't get it to work, but don't worry, we're going to guide you through all the steps to get your microphone working properly again. Let's start by ensuring that your microphone is functioning properly at the system level. The first thing you want to do is press the Windows key and the I key together to open the settings window. Once you're in there, navigate to System, then Sound, and finally Input. This will take you to the right section where all your input device settings are located. Now, you should speak into your microphone and watch the input volume bar on your screen. If you see the bar move, that's a great sign, your mic is picking up sound. But if it's not moving, we'll need to take some extra steps. First, check that you've selected the correct input device from the drop-down menu. Sometimes your system might have multiple devices connected, so make sure you've chosen the right one. If your microphone still appears unresponsive, click on the Troubleshoot button. The troubleshooter can help diagnose and fix common microphone issues automatically. This can be a quick lifesaver, resolving problems without you having to dive deep into technical settings. Next, let's check Microsoft Edge's site permissions, as these might be preventing your microphone from working. Open Edge, then go to Settings and More and click on Settings. From there, navigate to Privacy, Search and Services. Find Site Permissions, click on All Permissions and then Microphone. Here, you should select the correct microphone from the drop-down menu. It's important that Edge is configured to use the right device. You'll also see an option labelled Ask Before Accessing. Ensure that this is toggled on. This option is usually recommended as it allows sites to prompt you before using your microphone. Also, check if the specific site you're using has permission to access your microphone. If you've accidentally blocked a site, you can remove it from the blocked list, allowing it to access the mic. Lastly, let's make sure everything is up to date. Restart Microsoft Edge and your computer to apply any changes you've made. This simple act of restarting can often solve lingering issues. In addition, ensure that Microsoft Edge is updated to the latest version. Updates often contain bug fixes and improvements that could resolve microphone issues. And there you have it. Following these steps will troubleshoot and hopefully solve any issues with your microphone not working in Microsoft Edge. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.